Welcome to Beyond Reality, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today we take you on a journey to Mars. This is going to blow your mind. The rocket landed with a roar, kicking up red dust. The moment we had all been waiting for had finally arrived. Years of preparation, training, and anticipation culminated in this single, breathtaking moment. The red dust swirled around us, creating an almost surreal atmosphere as the spacecraft settled onto the Martian surface. I peeked out the window. Mars. It was like a dream. The landscape was both alien and familiar, a paradox that left me in awe. The vast expanse of the Martian terrain stretched out before me, a canvas of red and orange hues that seemed to go on forever. I could hardly believe my eyes. We were really here, on another planet. Red sand stretched out as far as I could see. The sky was a pale pink, not blue like on Earth. It was a stark reminder that we were far from home. The Martian sky had a unique beauty, a soft, ethereal quality that made it feel like we were in a different world entirely. The contrast between the red sand and the pink sky was mesmerizing, a sight that would be etched in my memory forever. It felt strange to be on another planet. The air was thin, and I had to wear a special suit just to breathe. Every breath was a reminder of the challenges we faced, but also of the incredible opportunity before us. The suit was cumbersome, but it was our lifeline in this harsh environment. I could feel the weight of history on my shoulders as I took my first steps on Mars. Every step was a bounce in the low gravity. It was scary and exciting all at once. The sensation of moving in such a different gravitational field was exhilarating. It felt like I was floating, each step propelling me forward with an ease that was both thrilling and disorienting. The low gravity made everything feel lighter, but it also required a new level of coordination and balance. We had finally made it to Mars, our mission to see if humans could one day live here. The enormity of our task was daunting, but it was also a source of immense pride. We were pioneers exploring uncharted territory and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The success of our mission could pave the way for future generations to call Mars home. It felt like a huge responsibility, being one of the first people to set foot on this alien world. We had so much to learn. Every rock, every grain of sand held potential secrets about the history and geology of Mars. Our discoveries could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The weight of this responsibility was immense, but it was also incredibly motivating. The soil was unlike anything on Earth. We collected samples, eager to uncover Mars's secrets. Each sample was a piece of the puzzle, a clue that could help us understand the planet's past and its potential for supporting life. The process of collecting and analyzing these samples was meticulous, but it was also filled with a sense of wonder and discovery. Planting our flag felt like a monumental achievement. We were pioneers on a new frontier. The flag symbolized our determination, our courage, and our hope for the future. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. As the flag waved gently in the Martian breeze, I felt a profound sense of accomplishment and a deep connection to all those who had made this moment possible. Mars is covered in red dust. It gets everywhere. It's like walking on a beach, but the sand is iron oxide, which is what makes it red. The air is very thin, much thinner than on Earth. It's hard to breathe, so we have to wear special suits when we're outside our habitat. The suits give us oxygen and protect us from the harsh environment. The gravity is different too. It's much weaker than Earth's gravity. That means we can jump higher and things weigh less. It's fun to float around, but we have to be careful not to hurt ourselves. Dust storms can be a real challenge, reducing visibility and damaging equipment. Our home on Mars is a special dome called a habitat. It's strong and airtight, protecting us from the thin atmosphere and cold temperatures. Inside, we have everything we need to survive. There's a living area with beds, a kitchen to prepare our food, and a lab to conduct experiments. We even have plants growing. We're experimenting with growing our own food on Mars. It's a challenge, but if we can grow food here, it will help us stay on Mars longer. We also have exercise equipment to keep us fit and healthy. Water is essential for life, And luckily, there's evidence of water on Mars. It's not flowing on the surface like on Earth, but scientists believe there's ice beneath the surface. We have special equipment to extract water ice from the Martian soil. It's a difficult and energy-intensive process, but it's crucial for our survival. Water is precious on Mars. We recycle everything. Our showers use very little water, and we even purify our wastewater to use for irrigation. The search for water on Mars is ongoing, and every discovery brings us closer to sustainable living on the red planet. Every day we venture out onto the Martian surface to explore and conduct research. It's like stepping onto another world. We wear our spacesuits and use rovers to travel further distances. The landscape is breathtaking, with giant canyons, towering volcanoes, and vast plains of red sand. We collect rock samples, study the atmosphere, and search for signs of past or present life. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding this alien world. Walking on Mars is an experience like no other, with its unique gravity and surreal vistas. Growing food on Mars is no easy task. The challenges are immense and multifaceted. The soil is thin, lacking the rich nutrients found on Earth. The sunlight is weak, filtered through a thin atmosphere that can't support most Earth plants. But we're experimenting with different methods like hydroponics, which involves growing plants in water enriched with nutrients. This method bypasses the need for soil altogether. Hydroponics allows us to control the growing environment precisely, ensuring plants get exactly what they need to thrive. We're also using artificial light to supplement the weak sunlight. LED grow lights can provide the specific wavelengths of light that plants need for photosynthesis. It's amazing to see green life flourishing in this harsh environment. The sight of thriving plants offers hope and a glimpse into the future of space colonization. If we can perfect space farming, it will be a game changer for long-duration missions, and maybe even permanent settlements. This could revolutionize how we think about living on other planets. Permanent settlements on Mars would require a reliable food source, and space farming could be the key to making this a reality. Vertical farming techniques are also being tested to maximize space and yield. By growing plants in stacked layers, we can produce more food in a smaller footprint. Treating Martian soil to make it more fertile is another promising approach. Scientists are exploring ways to enrich the soil with nutrients and organic matter to support plant growth. The Martian sunsets are unlike anything on Earth. As the sun sets on Mars, the sky transforms into a mesmerizing palette of colors. The thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, scatters the sunlight in a way that creates a unique visual spectacle. The sky turns a beautiful pale blue as the sun dips below the horizon, scattering its light in different ways than on Earth. The Martian twilight is a serene and almost otherworldly experience, offering a moment of calm and reflection. And then there's Earthrise. Seeing our home planet, a tiny blue dot in the vastness of space, fills you with a sense of awe and makes you realize how precious and fragile our planet is. This distant view of Earth from Mars provides a humbling perspective on our place in the universe. It reminds us of what we're fighting for, why we're pushing the boundaries of human exploration. The sight of Earthrise serves as a powerful motivator for astronauts and scientists, driving them to continue their quest for knowledge and discovery. We dream of a future where humans can live on multiple planets, ensuring the survival of our species. The vision of establishing a human presence on Mars is not just a scientific endeavor, but a testament to our resilience and ingenuity. Martian sunsets and Earthrise together create a breathtaking view, a symbol of our quest to explore and thrive beyond Earth. These celestial events inspire us to look beyond our immediate surroundings and imagine the possibilities that lie ahead in our journey through the cosmos. Life on Mars is tough, the environment is harsh, resources are scarce, and we're constantly reminded of how far we are from home. But it's also exhilarating. Every day brings new challenges and discoveries. We're pushing the limits of human ingenuity and endurance. The question is, can we make this a permanent home? It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. The challenges are immense, but so are the possibilities. Can we create a sustainable presence on Mars, a place where future generations can live, work, and explore? The future of life on Mars depends on our ability to overcome significant challenges. We need to develop more efficient ways to produce food, water, and oxygen. We need to protect ourselves from radiation and the harsh environment. But with continued research and innovation, we believe it's possible. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars, studying its mysteries, unlocking its secrets, and perhaps even terraforming it into a more Earth-like world. It's a future worth striving for. A future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, expanding our reach into the cosmos and ensuring our long-term survival. Our journey on Mars has just begun. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Drop your video suggestions in the comments below.